Hello, and welcome to the short video in which I'm going to tell you about the latest addition to Taxdash, which is our income tax calculator. Super excited to finally share this with you because we've been working on this for a very long time. So just so happy that we're finally here and we can start using it. So to start, if you've got a Taxdash account, you will need to log in. If you don't have an account, you will need to go to our website, taxdash.co.uk, and go and register and create an account. From the dashboard, you will be able to navigate then to the tax calculator for personal planning. Just enter. The first time you enter the calculator, there's going to be a disclaimer. The disclaimer is there to tell you that this is not going to give you tax advice. This is only there for information purposes, to help you educate, to try and help you understand how your tax calculation works. But it will also allow you to play with that. So if you maybe for example, want to see if you want to contribute the extra £10,000 pension contributions, how that will affect your tax position. So to start a new calculation, you click on Add Calculation. From the drop down, you can select different tax years. So if you want to look, you can already start looking at the 24-25 tax year. But for now, in this example, let's look at the current tax year, 23-24. Actually, what I'm going to do now is just remove my face here because it's getting in the way. So what we've done is we've summarized all the different income sources on the left, and on the right you will have a live calculator. We've also added here at the top where you can select if you're a UK tax resident, if you're a non-resident and want to claim the personal allowance, or a non-UK tax resident and do not want to claim the personal allowance. Also, we've included the test here if you're not sure what your current tax residency status is. We did the same here for domiciled and non-domiciled. Obviously, it's very important to get that right because that will affect your tax. Now, let's have a look at an example. So if you click on employment income, let's say you had a salary of £70,000 for the year, and let's say you paid £15,000 tax. Then the calculation will automatically update. On the right, it will show you your taxable income. It will tell you also what the total tax due is on that. At the bottom, it will show we've already paid £15,000, which means we still owe HMRC £432 in this example. You can also click and open this up. That will show you a breakdown of how those amounts are all calculated. Okay, so on the left, you can go through the rest. You can say if you've got dividend income, you can add that in, and it will automatically update your calculation. If you've got self-employed income, again, you can put in your total income and your total allowable expenses, and it will automatically update the calculation. Same with residential property. It will ask you if you've got rent a room. If you say no to that, then it will open up the rest of the calculation. So you can say, let's say in this example, we've got £20,000 rental income. It will automatically include the £1,000 property allowance. But if you've got expenses more than that, it will remove the property allowance and deduct the actual total allowable expenses. If you scroll to the bottom, you'll also have the option here to enter your mortgage interest paid. So let's say we had £6,000 of mortgage interest that we paid during the year. You click update and it will automatically update your calculation. You can also go through the rest of the income sources on the left here. If you've got high income child benefit charge, you can put in that amount and it will work out how much you need to repay, if you need to repay anything. If you've got a student loan, it will include that as well. Capital gains, we've really just simplified it massively. So it's really just if you enter the total, let's say you sold an investment property for £250,000 and you know your total capital cost that you can deduct is 100,000. Is that right? So your capital gain is 150,000. Then it will automatically include that and do a capital gains tax calculation for you and show you how it is all calculated. So once you've put in all your personal income details, if you now maybe want to have a look and see if you want to make extra £10,000 pension contributions, then you will see how that will affect your overall tax calculation. So super useful, super intuitive. Hopefully it will help you understand your tax and understand better what your options are. Again, if you now go navigate back to the calculations, then you will see it will automatically save all your calculations. Here you can always go back and compare calculations if you wish to. And if you just want to go back into any calculation, if you scroll down to the bottom, then you will also see here's a good feedback form. So if there's any suggestions that you would like to let us know or anything else that you would like to see, then please hit this button and then just let us know. Also, if you do like the calculation, then please do share the good word and let your friends know about it. I really do appreciate you listening to it. Thank you so much. And I really hope this is going to be a helpful tool to help you understand your tax position. Thank you so much.